As you can see in this question, we have here 3 raised to power 4 plus 3 raised to power 4 plus 3 raised to power 4, and the another option is 3 raised to power 5. So we have to find which is larger. Options are both are equal. Second option is 3 raised to power 5, and the third option is 3 raised to power 4 plus 3 raised to power 4 plus 3 raised to power 4. So how to figure out the solution? Here is 3 raised to power 4 plus 3 raised to power 4 plus 3 raised to power 4 can be written as 3 times 3 raised to power 4, and this can again be written as 3 raised to power 1 plus 4, which is equal to 3 raised to power 5. So both are equal. The option both are equal is the correct option. Thank you.